Welcome to the Sustainable Living channel, where we discuss how to protect the climate and maximize the God-given natural resources. Today, I bring to you another exciting discussion on transforming agriculture with biogas power. What if your farm could power itself? Imagine running machines, pumping water, and heating greenhouses using energy made from your own waste. Welcome to the future of farming, where biogas is more than just an idea. It's a powerful, practical tool that's transforming agriculture around the world. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how biogas is driving productivity, lowering costs, and building a cleaner future, one farm at a time. Biogas is a game changer for modern agriculture, offering a sustainable solution to some of the sector's biggest challenges. At its core, biogas is a renewable energy source produced through the anaerobic digestion of organic matter, like food waste, crop residues, and animal manure. This process not only generates electricity and heat, but also creates a nutrient-rich byproduct that can be used as fertilizer. The agricultural sector faces significant challenges, including managing waste and reducing its reliance on fossil fuels. Farmers often struggle with disposing of organic waste, which can lead to environmental issues like water pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. The reliance on fossil fuels for energy and machinery also contributes to the sector's carbon footprint. These challenges can be overwhelming, but there are solutions on the horizon. The production and use of fossil fuels for farming operations are not only costly, but also unsustainable in the long term. As the world moves towards reducing its carbon footprint, the agricultural sector must adapt and find more sustainable ways to produce food. Traditional farming methods, while effective, are often resource-intensive and not environment-ally-friendly. Finding sustainable solutions to these challenges is crucial for the future of agriculture. The sector must innovate and adopt new technologies that reduce waste, lower emissions, and promote sustainable practices. Biogas technology is one such innovation that's making a significant impact. By converting organic waste into energy, biogas systems help farms manage waste more effectively and reduce their reliance on fossil fuels. This not only lowers their operating costs, but also decreases their environmental impact. Biogas is a flexible fuel that goes far beyond cooking and lighting. On modern farms, it's being used in 3 powerful ways. 1. Energy. Biogas can fuel internal combustion engines that run water pumps, corn grinders, or even tractors adapted for gas. 2. Heat. It's ideal for heating greenhouses, drying crops, and keeping poultry brooding units warm without burning firewood or diesel. And 3. Fertilizer. The liquid byproduct, called digestate, is packed with nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, making it a powerful organic alternative to chemical fertilizers. In short, biogas turns waste into a 3-in-1 resource: fuel, heat, and soil nutrients. Other real-life applications of biogas are not limited to the following. Chapter 1. Biogas-powered irrigation systems. In dry seasons, irrigation is life. But fuel-powered pumps are expensive to run. Farmers in Kenya and India are now switching to biogas-powered water pumps, saving fuel costs while irrigating their fields more reliably, even during fuel shortages. Biogas heating for greenhouses. In cooler climates, temperature control is critical for crops like tomatoes or peppers. Biogas heating provides a low-cost, renewable heat source that keeps greenhouses warm at night, increasing yields and reducing dependence on electricity. Biogas for poultry and livestock operations. Poultry farmers use biogas to heat brooders and provide consistent lighting, leading to healthier chicks and faster growth. Plus, the digestate is used on nearby maize farms, closing the loop in this zero-waste ecosystem. Biogas isn't just green, it's economically smart. The average farmer who switches to biogas can save 30% to 60% on energy and fertilizer costs every year. Let's break it down. One cow produces enough waste to generate cooking gas for a household daily. A small-scale digester can replace 2 full LPG cylinders per month. Digestate cuts chemical fertilizer use in half, saving hundreds of dollars per planting season. And when farms reduce diesel use and improve soil health, productivity rises. That means higher yields, better profits, and a faster return on investment. Biogas is more than an energy source. It's a pathway to sustainable, profitable, and climate-smart agriculture. It works on small farms, large operations, and even in rural communities with no grid power. Let's take a look at a powerful case study where biogas has made a real difference. A farm in a rural community implemented a biogas system to manage its waste and generate renewable energy. The results were impressive. The farm reduced its energy costs by a significant amount and created a valuable fertilizer for its crops. This success story demonstrates the potential of biogas to transform farms and agricultural communities. The benefits of biogas for agriculture are clear. It offers a sustainable solution to waste management, reduces reliance on fossil fuels, and promotes eco-friendly farming practices. By embracing biogas technology, farmers can contribute to a more sustainable food system and see tangible benefits in their operations. Are you ready to transform your farm with biogas? Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more agro solutions, and drop a comment below if you want us to create a tutorial on setting up your own biogas system. Thanks for watching.